together. Shakir making his way in that world. Shashbekov. Kersey. Exciting prospects. Balance as well.
When you've got 2 or 3 big front runners like that who were paving the way and winning those big medals, I mean, there's no wonder that Kyrgyzstan have got so much young talent coming through now. Look, 21 years old, the Kyrgyz wrestler here, and he's really great 2 points here. Last year in the World Under 23s, and it's just surprising, how strong he was, how good he was for the 6 minutes, those high amplitude throws, how explosive the man is. Really impressive.
First real attack from Kitsuya. Lenny Apoladze, the teammate of Georgia. That's for one, and then Mayev as well. Mayev. Victories. First round belongs to Shakir. Sometimes said in some sports that people can start so well in the contest that it's almost too well. It means there's only one way to go in a contest. Is that ever the case in wrestling? Or is a good start always a good start, and it never comes back to bite you?
I mean, that it never comes back to bite you is another thing, but a good start's always a good start in wrestling. It always puts you those points in front. I mean, your opponent's going to fight his hardest to get those points back. Maybe in that fight, it's going to be a small mistake. Maybe he rushes a little too much. His openings there.
To build on that stuff. risk factor. These attacks, Soriani. To the Georgian. Beshikiev penalised. Balance up again.
I mean, they've both been won. Shakir and Ketsuriani both been won for grabbing the fingers. He's won both of them twice. First with Shakir says, do it again, I'm going to penalise you for those points. He did it again, he warned him. Ketsuriani goes back into the centre and takes fingers himself, and I mean, then it's only fair to penalise both wrestlers. Chance possible here. Pull this out of the fight. Beshikiev is going to do that. He's going to get there. To tonight's final. Doing the bulk of his hard work in those opening 90 seconds.